Hi crochet lovers! In today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create a cute bunny. I'll be using chunky yarn, crochet hook 8mm. This hook will help me for the yarn ends, and also I'll be using yarn needle, scissors. I need stitch markers and twice. For the eyes, I will be using a glue. If you prefer, you can use this type of eyes. I'll begin the little bunny by making magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Tie the yarn to close the round. Then I'll add stitch marker into the last stitch. I'll begin round 2 by making 2 single crochets into the first stitch and 2 single crochets in every of the next 5 stitches. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I remove the stitch marker, and 11 and 12 stitches for the round 2. Add a stitch marker into the last stitch and continue with the next round. So for round 3 I'll work 2 single crochets in every out stitch, and in every even stitch I'll work 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 'I remove the stitch marker and make single crochet. So for round 3 I have 18 single crochets. For the next 2 rounds I'll work single crochet in every stitch, and I'll not increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'll remove the stitch marker and I'll crochet the last stitch. The round is ready. I'll add the stitch marker. Continue with the next round. single crochet in every stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and single crochet in the last stitch. And now I'll start decreasing. 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then I'll decrease, 1 single crochet in next stitch, and I'll decrease, 1 single crochet, and I'll decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, I remove the stitch marker, then I'll decrease, add the stitch marker, and continue with the last round. So for the last round, this is round 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have 6 decreases, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, remove the stitch marker, that's 6. I can cut the yarn. I'll stuff the body of the bunny. Tie it well. This is the bunny body, and now I'll begin the ears. I'll add stitch markers and opposite side. Leave a tail that is 10 centimeters approximately. Then remove the stitch marker, insert the hook into the 2 stitches, yarn over, pull up a loop, then make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, yarn over, skip 1, 2 chains from hook and make double crochet into the 3rd chain, then yarn over and make 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, then make 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Remove your hook and cut the yarn. Secure well and make a knot 1, 2, 3 times. Then with the larger hook, hide the yarn ends into the body. Now I can cut the yarn, so the first ear is ready. I'll make the second ear, so insert the hook into the 2 stitches from the second round, yarn over, pull up a loop, then make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, yarn over, skip 2 chains and make double crochet into the 3rd, yarn over and make 1 half double crochet in the next chain, then into the last make a single crochet. Then cut the yarn. Then hide the yarn ends into the body. And our new bunny is ready. So we have 2 bunnies. Thank you so much to stay with me until the end of the video. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to stay updated. I'll publish a new video every week. Happy crocheting and see you next time.